This space offers so much more than academics. It is a place, it's a community where adult learners can feel a sense of belonging, hope, and connectedness. The physical structure also provided a wonderful hands-on learning experience for many of our career and technical education students in high school as they work side by side with master tradesmen and women who are at the top of their respective fields.
I have a personal feeling of pride tied to this particular project, as I actually had 2 children work on our summer building trades program, both summer before last and this past summer. I saw them transform. I saw them empowered. And that's what I think of when I think of this space.
I want to thank all of you for taking a chance, allowing us to take a chance. For your vision, Dr. Cashwell, members of the school board, everything that you are doing. If you ever wonder what a healthy community looks like, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is exactly what it looks like. Thank you.